Tallulah said कि we are going for a swim. Would you like to come and shoot? I was like yeah. मैंने अपना कैमरा उठाया, ट्राइपॉड उठाया और मैं चल दिया। पर वहां जाके पता चला कि मैं तो जंगल में से जाने वाला हूँ और मैं चप्पल में हूँ। उस टाइम मेरे दिमाग में ना सिर्फ एक ही ख्याल आ रहा, यार ये सांप तो नहीं आ जाएगा ना। पर when I saw community classroom students, I realized कि यार ये मेरे से तो ज़्यादा ही स्मार्ट। सांप आ भी गया, ये हैंडल कर लेंगे, मेरे से चाहे हो ना हो, नहीं? Tallulah is an architect who runs a community classroom with Vishal. विशाल अपने आप में एक कैरेक्टर है। उसको मैं इस वीडियो में इसलिए नहीं लाया हूँ क्योंकि he deserves a video of his own.
क्रोकोडाइल्स है, क्रोकोडाइल को हार्म मत करना तुम लोग।
मैंने कहा था ना, कैरेक्टर है।
The community classroom actually started with 3 children that we met on the plateau. We went with our set of children to build a tree house. We found 3 children who had already built a tree house. They were disruptive, they were considered to be naughty, they were not going to school. But I felt that they were street smart, and we discovered that they had a lot of knowledge of making, by hand. And we said, why not give them the opportunities? We have gadgets, we have our own phones, and eventually it grew to about 25 to 30 students. And there are challenges, we are dealing with children who are exposed to certain addictions. We have to help them, so the smaller children become our messengers. They will tell us if the older children are creating mischief. Then we started having cookouts together, because if all the children were going to be here for the whole day, we had to be able to also, have lunch together.
मिस्टर इंडिया देखिए, ये रियल लाइफ मिस्टर इंडिया है।
Suppose, let's say, they are paid workshops. We make sure that, let's say, 2 children who can pay will support maybe 5-6 children who cannot pay. And why that is important is because of this, there is a divide between the skills that a city child has or doesn't have, and those that another child who has less privileges has. So what happens is, when we put the two together, there's learning from both sides. So when children are doing book study, at least the skills that they have, they can impart to the other children. And of course, the street smartness, the fearlessness, life skills is something that they can give to the other children. So I think there is one problem where children have, privileges where they take it for granted. So they need to see this other side, where the children put in so much of hard work, and what difference they make to, try to achieve and make a career out of it.
मजे की बात बताऊं, सुबह मैंने इन बच्चों को शूट किया और शाम को उसी दिन आई वेंट टू अ बर्थडे पार्टी, मेरी डॉटर के फ्रेंड की बर्थडे पार्टी, जिसे मैं बोलता हूँ नैनी पार्टी, बिकॉज पेरेंट्स नहीं होते वहाँ, बच्चों के साथ नैनी ही होती है। मैं गया क्योंकि हमारे पास नैनी है नहीं, और ये वहाँ पे वो गेम खेल रहे होते हैं, वो बिग मंगो वाली, हो गया बोलता है पिन्याटा। क्या कॉन्ट्रास्ट नहीं है।
मैं हूँ भीमा, मेरी टैलेंट की ये नहीं है कोई सीमा, पहचानेगा कोई तो पहचान लो। मैं स्टडीज़ में हूँ ठीक, बट माई आर्ट इज़ अ माइंड ब्लोअर।
Dima, you've met her. She's excellent at doodling. She's been doing this on her own. We are trying to reach out to as many people to say that, okay, you have an opportunity to do a mural on a wall. We'll come, because we have a team that is led by Bima. Here there's Neshma. Neshma wants to become a collector in the future. She wants to work into the public service space, and she's very determined. Like you said, they have the talents and the skills. They also have the drive. We are just providing them that nudge, whether it is a safe space, something that we can provide in terms of moral support, but a large amount of the hard work is done by them.
What I realized in the making of this video कि एक nudge ही तो चाहिए to make things better for someone. मतलब सपोज तुम किसी को जानते हो जो कुकिंग बहुत अच्छा करता है या करती है, जस्ट फोन उठा के अपने नेटवर्क में उसकी कहीं पे इंटर्नशिप लगवा दो ना 5 स्टार में, देखो फिर वो कहां जाता है, यू नो. एंड आई एम श्योर यू गाइस आर डूइंग इट दिस ऑलरेडी. आई मीन योर पेरेंट्स आर डूइंग दिस. ये कुछ नया नहीं है. बट टेल द वर्ल्ड, टेल इट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, बिकॉज लोग कमेंट्स पढ़ते हैं. क्या पता कोई इंस्पायर होके एक ऑर्गनेज दे दे कहीं, है ना. एंड also if you want to connect with Talula or contribute to community classroom, my email address is there. Reach out to me, I'll be happy to connect. बाकी मैं तो हूँ ही यहाँ पे. पटियाला cheers.